Hello. As you guys know, I am besties forever. I'll be telling story times about stuff and also stories with my cousin. I'll tag her in the caption. So go follow her if you want to see us together. But that's basically it, so you can leave or watch the Asaman one. Enjoy. Besties forever out.